which naam SHUHUL TIKOO. I belong to a Kashmiri family and I'm basically a Kashmiri Pandit. Well, let me say, proud Kashmiri Pandit. I have many hobbies, but my favorite one is sketching. Here are some of my sketches. I also make sketches for many personalities, and apart from sketching, I'm also a sports person. I play lawn tennis, and in academics, I'm interested more in maths and science. I have took part in many Olympiads, and here are some of my medals. और अभी रिसेंटली मेरा 10th CBSE का रिजल्ट आया था, उसमें इस बार शायद स्ट्रिक्ट चेकिंग हुई क्योंकि मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशंस थोड़ी ज़्यादा थी. मेरे 97% आए हैं ओवरऑल. तो मैं हर कश्मीरी पंडित जो मेरी एज का उससे यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे पेरेंट्स में पोटेंशियल था, हमें पोटेंशियल है, जहाँ भी जाए हमें ये पोटेंशियल ज़रूर रहेगा, तो इस पोटेंशियल को कभी वेस्ट ना होने दे. थैंक यू.
आप सबको मेरा आदर से नमस्कार. This is NRIP RAINA and I am a 14-year-old international level kickboxer. A number of people don't even know about this sport. They relate it with the sport of boxing, but it is a totally different sport. So, my journey of kickboxing began in 2019 when I came to know about the sports from my father. I discussed with my father and researched about the sport and found it very much interesting. And by the support of my father, I joined my nearby academy. It took me 6 months to learn and get ready for the district level championship. I fought hard in district championship and luckily won it. This helped me to get selected for the state level championship. Fortunately, I won it too. This pushed me to participate in the national level championship. I worked hard, I practiced hard and participated in the national level championship. Many experienced players were there and the competition was too tough that I gave my 100% but was only able to get a bronze medal. This didn't discourage me. I practiced hard, I practiced more, gained a lot of experience and appeared for the next national level championship held in Kolkata, West Bengal 2022. The grace of God and the blissful support of my parents, I was able to win gold medal in the national level championship. And by the dedicated guidance of my coaches, I was able to participate in the international Waco India championship. I practiced hard for it and I luckily won it. This boosted my spirit and I continued fighting. I wish to all my young brothers and sisters to join any sports to have a better, disciplined and confident life. Just to all my young brothers and sisters is that the pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. Always practice hard, turn up yourselves and the best will do the rest. Thank you and
Gar Chum Vony Tarun, Gar Chum Vony Tarun, Balaw Kohav.